Hello friends, welcome to Smart Kids. Today we are going to learn about 7 continents. So are you excited? Do you know where we all live? We live on planet Earth. And do you have any idea how much is water on our planet Earth? Yes, it's too much. Earth is having 71% of water and only 29% land area. And this 29% land area is divided into 7 regions, which is our 7 continents. So continents are massive land mass found on Earth. Let's look one by one. This is direction symbol. In direction symbol, north is always up and south is always down. So our first continent is South America, as it is in south. The second continent is North America, as it is in north. Then we have Europe, Africa, Asia. The next one is Australia, and last one is Antarctica. Let's see largest continent to smallest continent. In that, the first one is Asia. Asia is the biggest and most populated continent on Earth. You know, more than half of the world lives here. It is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. Area-wise, Russia's part is biggest. China is second country by area and most populated from the world. The most popular attraction in Asia are the Great Wall of China, the Taj Mahal from India, and the Himalayas. The Mount Everest is Earth's highest mountain above sea level. Tiger, panda, and elephant can be found here. The second continent is Africa. Africa is the second largest and second most populated continent. It is surrounded by the Indian Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. In Africa, Algeria is the largest country and Nigeria is the most populated country. The most popular attraction in Africa are pyramids in Egypt. They are very famous and popular among tourists. Victoria Fall. It is one of the world's largest waterfall. African safari. If you want to go for safari, let's go to Africa. Nile is the longest river in the world. The Sahara is the largest hot desert in Africa. You will find African elephant, giraffe, and so many other animals on the safari ride. The next continent is North America. North America is the third largest continent and surrounded by the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. USA is the largest country by land area and most populated in North America. Statue of Liberty is favorite and popular attraction in New York. The another popular attraction are Disneyland and Niagara Falls. In North America, commonly found animals are deer, an alligator, and American black bear. Next continent is South America. It is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean from west and the Atlantic Ocean from east. In South America, Brazil is the largest country by area and also by population. The popular attractions are Machu Picchu and biggest rainforest, that is Amazon rainforest. Christ the Redeemer statue is famous and popular attraction and also among new 7 wonders of the world. You will find anaconda, llama in South America. The 5th continent is Antarctica. Antarctica is the southernmost continent. It is also the world's highest, driest, windiest, coldest and iciest continent. Its 98% land area is covered by thick ice. Oh my god, it is about 90% of the world's ice. Because of this, there is no permanent resident or citizen of Antarctica. But you can see a lot of penguin. Scientists go there for research at different research stations. The next continent is Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent. It is located entirely in the northern side. Europe is bordered by the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the west, and Asia to the east. Russia is a transcontinental country spanning Eastern Europe and Northern Asia. It is the largest country by area and most populous country in Europe. Do you know Russia is the largest country in the world and have 11 time zones? Oh my god! The most popular attraction in Europe are Eiffel Tower in Paris and Colosseum in Rome. In Europe, most commonly found animals are brown bear, white bear, fox, and golden eagle. And the last continent is Australia. Australia continent is the smallest continent on Earth and is also called as Oceania. In Australia continent, Australia is the largest country by area and also by population. The famous Australian animal is kangaroo. The most popular attraction is Sydney Opera House in Sydney. This is all about 7 continents. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.